Yo, what's going on? So today we got a video from Midwest Safety, and the title of the video is how to catch a felony in 1 minute. Let's get into the video.
See two cases of men who decided to soak police officers with water, instantly taking things from 0 to 100.
What's going on, man? Can you not spray water? Man, don't touch me. I didn't do shit. Don't touch me on your back. What the f did I do, man? Hands on your back. Man, get the f off. Your hands on your back. Man, what the f
Come on, man. You don't want to act right? You don't act right today.
I didn't even do shit. What the f they doing? Get the f off. Let go. Let go. Let go. I didn't do shit.
You better not chase him.
I didn't do shit, man. Ah, you stupid. Yeah, what the f is your problem? What did I do?
Hey. You know what I like to say, boy. Listen, the cops, they came pretty peacefully. But you don't want to act right? You want to throw water on them and all that? Okay. You don't want to put your hands behind your back? Okay. You got it. My bad. You got it, though. I got something for you, man. You don't want to act right? We gonna get you to act right. We gonna get you to act right. We gonna apply some discipline to you. Watch this.
Man! Stop, man! No! I didn't even do shit. I'm not even doing shit. You didn't even.
I paid the
Act right.
Bamboo. Hey, get the fuck back. Daisy, come get my hat, man.
Yeah.
What you doing?
Oh, hold on. His boy about to get it. Hold on.
We'll give it to you right now.
What are y'all doing?
You a stupid ass bitch. 115. Hey, you sorry as f***, homie? Nigga, you a bitch. Hold on, bro. You a bitch. You a bitch. And you a bitch. Sorry as hell, bro. Cold ass. Get the f*** off me. Hold on, dude. Hurry the f*** up. Stupid motherfucking. Hey. Oh my God. Hey, sorry. Get the f*** off me, you ass bitch. Hey, do you mind if I stand up for you? We'll put you in your... Why the f*** I even do this? What the f*** was I doing?
I took out the money.
Don't act dumb.
No.
Get out of my house. Leave.
Go over there with him.
Tell them to leave. Cops here.
Crip shit. Crip.
Get away. Tell them to go.
Sorry, fool.
I'm not making a statement where I took out the money to pay for this house.
Go ahead, Marbo. Crip shit. Crip. I'll see you too, ass. What's up? What's up? Do something then, ho. Do something then. Do something. Do something. Do something. Do something, cuz. Hey. Look at me. I'll see you then. I'll cop you, cuz. I'll cop you, my nigga. I didn't even do shit. Y'all guys just bursted in there. What the f did I even do? You gonna do that to me, Zoe? Really? You gonna let them do that to me? I didn't even do shit to you, Zoe. I was in there chilling, man. Hey, what's up, nigga? What's your name? 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 Let me know your name, nigga. What's up? What's your name?
Hey,
what's
get your ass in that car, boy.
What's your name?
Act right. What?
You sorry, weak ass bitch. Come on. That's all you got.
You can say we're gonna have to chase you again.
And that's all you got, really?
I don't want to chase you
Nigga, I
again.
can't.
There you go. Watch out.
That's a sorry, motherfucker.
Bitch, I'm gonna beat your ass and I'm telling the police I'm gonna beat your ass. Y'all weird. How do y'all even do that?
Sorry,
Who does that? Y'all are full.
yeah, bro, I came up, bro. He started spraying water at me and Judy. So I was like 15, bro.
This is my house. I know who he is.
You know who he is?
Yeah, his name's Davey. He lives at like.
How old is he?
He's 18, I think.
You good?
Yeah, I mean, you don't get a. He sprayed you.
Yeah, and then
I said,
sprayed you,
that's it,
too.
And then he sprayed me. So 2 batteries of REO, and then he kicked me.
He kicked you?
Yeah.
Sprayed us with the water, bro. As soon as I came up, he's like, what do you two want? And then he sprayed me with the water. I was like, stop. I was like, can you not spray me? So I came around and then he started spraying Judy. So I was like, nah, She was like, I say he's 15, so we came around and grabbed him.
Yeah. So who lives here? It's her house. But does she live here by herself or? By herself.
Just make sure he's attached.
I was like, no, it's fine. So I can just pick her up.
Okay, we need to talk to you because does anybody else supposed to be there?
No.
Okay, so is he supposed to be there?
No,
Okay.
none of them from over there is supposed to
Okay, well that's what we're trying to do. But if you don't talk to us, we can't help you.
None of them.
Okay, so they can leave.
Yes.
Huh?
Were you here?
For what?
Apparently they broke up.
Who?
I guess they broke up this morning, her and Davian.
And Davian?
So apparently she said, let's not be together or whatever this morning. So I think that they're just going through a breakup from what it sounds like. And she got here and they were here and she didn't feel comfortable.
Yeah, so we can't. Yeah, so we can't kick anybody out. All right. Can you explain that to her? Say that because they're both boyfriend and girlfriend. They both live in here. We can't kick anybody out. If you would have talked to us and would have told us that, then we don't have anything. We leave. So.
Right.
Negative 75.
So, is Davian your boyfriend?
No, not anymore.
Okay. When did you guys broke up?
Like, it's been going on for like...
But you guys been on and off,
Yes.
right? Okay. He's been staying here with you, right? Okay. One of the things that I'm going to explain to you is going to probably be messed up, okay? But that's how the law works, okay? Technically, we can't kick him out, okay?
Even if it's in my name.
Exactly, yes, because he lives here. You allowed him to be here. At that point, he becomes a resident here in New Mexico, okay? Now, if he brings his cousin, brother over, he's still considered a resident. He can do that. Obviously, if you say no, that's something that you guys would have to obviously argue, right? But with that being said, if you really want to get him out, you're going to have to go through a process when it comes to the courts to get him evicted. Once you get him evicted, he's done. Exactly. Okay, and that's one thing that I want you to understand, because maybe you guys are trying to work it out, but if this continues, then we can't keep going. Because, like I said, if we keep coming back and he's allowed to be in there, there's nothing we can do. Literally, if you would have talked to my officers, I would have told him the same thing. Like, if he wanted to act the way he did, that's on him. That's why he's going to jail. So.
But I don't want none of them over here. None of them.
Okay, that's
Carolyn, Daniel.
Okay, well, at that point, like I said, they don't live here, right? So, yeah, obviously we can kick him out. But like I said, if Davian comes back and you guys are trying to work it out, he starts inviting them. That's a whole different thing. That's what I'm saying. If you're going to want to do that, you're going to have to explain to him when it comes to trying to get him evicted as soon as you can. Because it is a process and it does take time. Do you know how to evict people?
That process is kind of messed up, honestly, the whole eviction process. But that's why people, it's like, what do they call it? Fuck. What's the name for it? Not squatters, but whatever. But yeah, when someone is there for an extended period of time, when you move into somebody and maybe they're paying a bill or they're helping with rent, or even if they're not even paying nothing, if they've been there, for a couple weeks to a month, it's like, that's technically their residence. And it's kind of jacked up for the homeowner, because the whole eviction process takes mad long. Like that, it's not even like, and then once you get it, then they get 30 days to get out. So like, it's a whole hassle, you know what I mean? Hopefully he just mans up and realizes like, all right, it's her house, let me get up out of here. But he ain't gotta do that. And she just gotta deal with it.
Do you know where the magistrate court is at?
Where what?
The magistrate court.
No.
It's the one on Canal Ward. Is that corner building?
Oh, I've been there before.
So okay, I don't even want to know. So, with that being said, that's where you go and file for eviction. Okay.
She ain't doing that.
If you are really not wanting him here anymore. Okay.
She ain't doing that.
Those are the options that you have. Like I said, he's not going to jail just because you wanted him to go. He's going to jail because
that wasn't my intention. It was just
correct.
to get him
No,
to calm down.
Obviously, if there's something damaged inside, that he broke stuff or damaged something when it comes to your property, then yes, that's against the law. You can always let us know. Okay. So, do you have any questions for us?
No. Thank you, guys.
All right. So call us back. If they do come back, we'll handle it, okay? All right.
Ah, nigga! Ah, she's a weak bitch. And you weak, cuz. You weak. I will beat the fuck out you, homie. I will beat the fuck out you, my man.
Park 407.
He's not being that cooperative, so we'll see. So he's with you. Man, you weak. You couldn't take me down. You're not taking me down. That's sad. That was two of y'all. You couldn't take me down. They know my name. Give them my name. What's my name? Talk to him. Give my name. Come on. Are you fool? What's your name, bro? Are you? You didn't bring me all the way over here for nothing. Are you? Give him my name, dog. I guess you're not getting my name. Or Davian. What I even do? Chill at my house? Guess it was illegal to water your yard. I guess fucking bitch-ass cops can fucking barge in your yard without motherfucking talking. Want to just go in and tase you, try tackling you, but can't because they weak.
Davian was charged with 4 counts of battery on a peace officer and resisting. He is innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.